Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Rukan, one of Dubailand's most sought-after, family-friendly, and affordable communities. This stunning one-bedroom townhouse villa isn't just a rental, it's a lifestyle. This home is flooded with natural light, with a built-up area of 1,082 square foot. Need a bit more flexibility? This additional side room works perfectly. Upstairs, the master suite has been beautifully extended and upgraded. Designed for modern living, whether you're a young couple, a small family, or a solo professional, this space adapts for you. A true retreat at the end of the day, spacious, stylish, and serene. If you're looking for comfort, convenience, and charm, this townhome isn't just your next rental. It's the start of a new chapter.